Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this DeLonghi Dedica Maestro Plus coffee maker. So basically it's an espresso and cappuccino maker with auto latte art technology. So I'll show you the information at the back. So these are the features. So one is a 1.6 liter water tank capacity. So here it is. Then two intuitive control panel to easily brew espresso, 2 times espresso, select coffee temperatures, milk frothing temperatures, and textures. That's number 2. So that's the setting. You can do the setting here. Then 3, it's a stainless steel professional style inspired portafilter. So it's somewhere here. Then number 4, accessories included: coffee tamper, milk jug, measuring spoon, and cleaning kit. So here's number 4. So probably you can see more of this. Then 5, auto latte art with 3 sensor controlled temperature profiles: 60 degrees, 65, and 70 degrees, and 3 different milk temperature settings. Okay, here you can see the different looks, so different froths. Number 6 is advanced thermoblock for the fast heat up time. Okay, so I open this now so you can see the actual coffee maker. I'll just move this one a little bit. Okay, I start to unbox this. So the front, there's a latch. Then you can just pull this up. Then slowly opening. Yeah, really nice packaging. Then the top, some so you have here the information, some documentation. We'll read this through later on. Then here at the top, here are this one is the like accessories. So coffee tamper probably, and different measuring sizes, 32 by 24, 32 slash 24, then this one 34, 24, then another one here. So I'm not really familiar how to use this one, so just showing you. Oh yeah, this is the tamper. So when you put the coffee, you press it, that. And here is the milk jug. Then this one is going on the front of the coffee maker. This one is the measuring spoon. Yeah. So what is this? I'm not sure. Okay. And this one is the, I think, Ecodoc. Have a look later on. Then brush. One more here. Oh, this one is for cleaning the wand. Then let's remove this. Then here is the coffee maker. Need to remove the box. I can show it to you. Yep. There you go. And just remove this. Here how it looks. So this one for the milk frother, and this here's the different controls. Just open this one. So this is the storage. So probably that's it. And then the back of the is the water container. This one. And open this. And this is a power switch. Okay, I will try to learn how to use this, and I'll show you when I make some coffee. So okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.